Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 9 and I will explain about our project integrated system that is real-time smart car parking system using Internet of Things, and our group have one person that is Fikri Hanif. Next, abstract. This question paper goes for smart car parking framework dependent on IoT. Because of expanding population and the quantity of vehicles, individuals are confronting issues on parking vehicles in a city. Along these lines, we talk of planning a framework called Smart Car Parking System, which helps the drivers by giving data about accessibility of parking space in the particular zone, and furthermore gives the alternative of advanced booking of parking space with the assistance of an Android application, due to which consumption of fuel time as well as pollution is reduced. Next, introduction. A real-time system controls the environment by obtaining data, processing it, and giving out the result sufficiently immediately to affect the environment at the same time. The Internet of Things (IoT) is the use of Internet in physical devices and objects we interact with on a daily basis, composed of Internet connectivity, electronics, and some hardware components. These devices can intercommunicate and interact with other components over the Internet. These different devices can be remotely monitored, analyzed, and controlled. Next. Problem statement. The parking management problem can be viewed from several angles. Limited number of parking lots, drivers not knowing where parking lots are, drivers not sure if parking lots have enough space, and a tendency to park illegally on the roads. Due to above such issues, major problems faced by people are consumption of fuel, population, wastage of time, mental stress, etc. Next, purpose system. Smart car parking system help us to reduce cost of vehicles for parking place. Most of the time, in case of some place, there is no parking space available, so that people park their vehicles on the road itself. This creates very bad picture and acts as a hurdle in everyone's life. This project is useful for avoiding this situation. Next, implementation and working. Flowchart. Start, microcontroller transmits trigger pulse to sensor. Microcontroller receives analog signal from sensor. Microcontroller program send the parking information to the cloud. Mobile application get the data from the cloud about free car parking slots. Free slot, yes, enter the parking area. No, find another parking area. Next, step and forward. We have formed a real-world model representing the minimized view of the parking lot structure. We applied all the system there and checked how actual system is going to perform. Here are steps. Step 1, complete the installation of Smart Parking Android application at user site. Step 2, do registration and login. Step 3, click on book slot. You will get status of all available and park slots. Step 4, click on available slots to request for parking. Step 5, no request will be get update to admin panel. When you reach the parking area, admin will accept your request and allow you to enter. Step 6, ER sensor are continuously detected that if car is arrived or present or not. Step 7, if car gets detected in, then it gets updated on application as well as website via cloud. Step 8, whenever you will leave the parking lot, the particular parking slot gets free and update on its platform. Next, result. To get proper understanding of the system, it is mandatory to analyze all kinds of results we are receiving from the system. By all such analysis, we are possible to reach or desired result. The previously mentioned procedure for booking space is applied with the assistance of the following screen capture. The figure 3 describes the registration and login page for the user application. In figure 4, here the green parking slot show us that they are copied. Yellow parking slots are requested by user but didn't arrive at the location yet, while red parking slots are totally available for the booking. Figure 5 shows live status of parking slot at admin panel. Figure 6 shows booking list of user at admin panel. It also shows user entry at exit time according to real-time system. We design a hardware to achieve this work, in which we design a PCB to fulfill our needs of the hardware, where we can put Node MCU 8266 that is IoT Wi-Fi module, UR sensor, and LED. In figure 7, we have designed hardware with Wi-Fi model, LED, UR sensor embedded on it, which is. Conclusion. The idea of smart cities has dependably been a revolution for humankind. Since the recent years, substantial breakthroughs have been made in making urban or areas of reality. The development of Internet of Things and cloud advance have offered access to new potential outcomes as far as brilliant urban areas. We have introduced a constant real-time smart parking system utilizing IoT, which disposes of the need to scan for parking spot and to predictably choose and pre-book the ideal parking space. The user is thus visible enough to get a parking slot as per his own choice at any time and from anywhere using just the mobile application. The whole system works in the real time as well. Lots of problems like wastage of time, while congestion, pollution, etc. are minimized drastically. Thanks all from our group. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.